Look at those sneaky Apple just dropped the new AirPods Pro with no announcement, no nothing. But are they really pro? Are they any better than that first two? I don't know, but let's not waste any time and jump into this unboxing. You know how Apple do. They keep it real simple with the packaging, so no need to bring out the big boy knife. It has this little pull tab to peel off the plastic. Get that off, get that out of there, and just drop it open. All right, get out. Designed by Apple in California. And here we got just the normal books. Yeah, some directions. It's cool, toss that to the side. Some more paperwork. Just toss that to the side. Nothing else here, nothing in the top. Leave that right there. So boom, right on top, have the new AirPods Pro. Crack it open. Oh, hold on. All right, got the plastic off. And these seems like it's actually just about the same size as the old one. It just turned sideways, really. It's actually bigger. These are the AirPods 2 case. Now this is the AirPods Pro, but it looks like it's, I thought it was gonna be smaller, but these look significantly larger than the older ones. It's weird, in the pictures it looked like it was gonna be smaller, but put this over here. Let's see what else we have in the box. All right, so these are, oh, looks like the extra ear tips for the AirPods Pro, some extra ear tips. And the cable. So this is using, oh, what a surprise. This is actually using USB Type-C to Lightning. I wish it would have been Type-C all around, but you see the case still uses the Lightning port, which I was hoping you throw the Pro name on there. You actually use what your iPad Pro is using, which is the USB Type-C, but it is what it is. They're still using the Lightning cable. And this is also the wireless charging case. But let's open it up real quick and see what it looks like. Oh, these are actually smaller. The earpiece itself, put this to the side. So like the part that goes in your ears looks like it's a little larger, but the stem is much smaller. You can see the new tips that they have to make that seal in your ear. Let's pull the other one out. Oh yeah, these definitely a different design. Let's pull out the old ones. Get a good look at it. So you can see like the part that goes in your ears is a little larger, but the stem is much shorter, which probably will help not make it look so ridiculous in your ears. Because if you know, I really did not like the look of AirPods, and this shorter stem might help out with the look, but I'm not a fan of the AirPods look. And I'm actually not a fan of the AirPods at all. If you know, watching any of my previous videos, you see I did the unboxing, but never did a review because I didn't have much things nice to say. Let's go ahead and connect it real quick. All right, this is a little different. The hell you put them back in? All right, there we go. Just a little different how you drop them back in. It's like facing in instead of on here where they're facing. They face out on these, and on this one it just faces in. So small difference. All right, we're gonna connect it to the iPad real quick to see the setup process. iPad mini. Let's open it up. It should have the same H1 chip in there. All right, cool. All right, let's take them out real quick. So these has noise cancellation in them. Boom. Press the volume slider to view additional controls. Announce messages. I guess that's a new feature. That's interesting. One is at 79% and one is at 58%. But I'm happy they do have power. All right, that looks like it's it. Let me just finish setting everything up. It looks like that's the complete setup. But let me just try them in real quick and get right back to you. As far as the specs, there are a lot that's similar between the AirPods Pro, the AirPods 2, and the Powerbeats Pro. Like, they all use the same H1 chip. This has 24 hours of battery with the case, 4.5 just listening time, and 5 without the active noise canceling, which is probably one of the main reasons why I got this one. Because the AirPods 2, it just had a lot of sound leak, and I could hear everything around me. Everyone can hear what I can hear. So I'm kind of excited that they changed the design, so now that the fit should be better and I shouldn't have as much noise bleed. But let me actually go ahead and test out the fit. Okay. Oh, damn. The noise canceling is already working. I could barely hear myself. But let's test out the audio and see how this sounds. Let's play some music real quick. I like the sound of the AirPods too. So I wasn't much complaining there, but let's see what. Much more bass. Hold on. I might be tripping. Let me test out the AirPods 2, because that definitely sound much. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's play some music on this one. All right, let's see what this one sounds like. Turn the volume up. Okay, it doesn't sound that much different. Much louder. Let me put these back in. I don't know, man. The sounds might actually be the same, other than like the seal that you get from these. The sound just might be the same. Okay, all right. This has way more bass, and the sound is much more balanced. Like these. Wait, let me see. I might be tripping. All right, the AirPods 2, the sound is just really flat, and these are just AirPods Pro. It's much more full. If you kind of get what I'm saying, like the sound, I'm not a sound audiophile or anything, but it sounds much more full on these and much more bass. Let me try this again. All right, I'm sold. These sounds much better. And the fit, like the fit is just, it's not moving. These definitely is not coming out. And another, these are also sweat and water resistant. So I know a lot of people like working out with their AirPods, and a lot of people did not know these aren't sweat or water resistant, and you can easily could have damaged your AirPods. I see it all the time. My go-to workout headphones are the Galaxy Buds, but I see people work out with these all the times, and they must not sweat in their ears like I do, but you can really damage these. But problem is solved with the AirPods Pro, because these are water resistant, not waterproof. So don't go try swimming with these. Just water and sweat resistant. I gotta put these back in. I actually, you know what? They don't look as ridiculous as these. Like this long ass stem, the shorter one looks much better. It looks like some normal earbuds than the, I mean, I do wish they would have came in like a black color. It'll let them blend in a little more. But I think I like these. Just my first impressions. I do have to give these a run. Check them out for a while. Just give it a week or two of testing these out, because in my initial impressions of the AirPods 2, I really liked them. And then after I started using them for a while, I realized a lot of its flaws, and that's why you didn't see a review video, because these were pretty trash. But I'm gonna give these a run, try out the noise cancellation feature, work out with these, give it a full test, and let you guys know what I think. That's it for this video. This was another Joe Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Look at it.